So God is not saying no to the answer. God is saying, wait, grow up. God is protecting you, but it says, a revival. How many hours, how many preachers, how many pastors, how many prophets, how many apostles, how many believers are crying out for revival? How many churches and ministry organizations are praying day and night, 24/7 for revival? Why there is no revival? Because there is nobody who can handle revival. The early church prayed for 1.5 months, they had revival. We pray for decades, saying, brother, I'm a prayer warrior, I'm praying for 20 years for revival. Where is revival? I don't know. See, God, the moment first time someone prayed for revival, God was ready. But we were not ready. See, when Peter preached a message, 3,000 people got saved. And they baptized those 3,000 people in the same day. Do you think Peter baptized everybody? Do you think the 11 baptized everybody? The 120 people in the upper room, they got into the field and they worked. Will you be able to come on a Monday? Will you be able to come to church on a Tuesday? Will you be able to come to church throughout the week? You won't. You can't. But we want revival. We want cities and nations to be changed. But we won't change our schedules. My best friend is getting married. God is waiting for you to change that. See, God's not saying don't go to the best friend's wedding. God is waiting for someone who will have the heart to say no to everything. It can be best friend's wedding. It can be my daughter's wedding. It can be someone close to me's funeral. I will be able to say no. When I have that heart to say no to everything and yes to Jesus, when I have the heart to face opposition in the face and say, I'm not scared. Because revival brings trouble. People can't even handle the trouble they have inside their ministries and inside their churches, but they are praying for revival. The reason God is not blessing us with revival, because revival will bring you national trouble. So we must be thankful that God is not answering our prayers. The early church prayed. They had revival. Immediately after they had revival, they had opposition. How many of you are ready to leave your house and move to another city? Not packing your bags and, okay, let's go. Hey, I'm moving to Bangalore. No. People come and break into your houses and you have to run away. That's what happened to the early church. Everybody ran from Jerusalem because there was opposition. We are not ready for that. We want revival without trouble. We want revival without opposition. So the reason God is not answering the cries, the prayers of revival, it's because God is protecting us. Because there is nobody in this nation who can handle revival. I believe that we as a church, as an individual, should grow up to the place where God says, all the prayers people have prayed, I have found a person. I have found a man in this family. I have found a woman in this family. I have found a family that can handle the stress and depth of a move of God.